Hello everybody, this is Ed, and today we're checking out the 2-in-1 mini wireless CarPlay Android Auto adapter. Seller sent me this to check out, so let's see what we got in the box. Alright, so we have the wireless adapter right here. So it is mini. See how small this is? I really like the design. I really like that carbon fiber look. This product has a gold-plated USB for faster transfer and durability. And you have cooling vents for heat dissipation, as you can see the openings here. Here is a USB-A to USB-C. So if you have a USB-C connection to access your Android Auto or CarPlay, you're able to use this extension here. You have your user manual here, information card. You also have a USB-A extension here. This device is compatible for vehicles that support wired CarPlay and Android Auto. After you see how this product works in my vehicle, you're going to want to get one of these. They're available on Amazon. Just search for wireless CarPlay adapter. And if you have any issues with this product, go to your user manual and you have information on how to get a hold of support for this product. We're going to go ahead and head out to the car and see how this thing works. All right, so now I am in the vehicle, and this is a 2021 Dodge Challenger. So the connections to my Android Auto and CarPlay are in this console right here. And here it is right here. As you can see, I still use the wire, and I got it connected to one of the USB-A ports. So I run the wire to this cradle. So now that I have this, I'm gonna swap the wire out for wireless connection. So let's go ahead and set this up. All right, so I'm gonna connect both Android and Apple just to show you how easy it is and how they work for both phones. All right, so I've got the device connected. As you could see, when I connect the Bluetooth on my phone, I gotta look for that code right there to connect to the device. So you gotta have your Wi-Fi and your Bluetooth on. So I have to go into Bluetooth and find this code here, and it is searching. All right, there it is, SmartBox 9BE1. Click on that. Gives you a code. Hit pair. You want to allow your contacts and favorites to sync. Hit allow. Pairing request. And you hit connect. And there you go. All right, and we have Apple CarPlay. As you can see, it is wireless. All right, so I'm ready to connect my Android phone, and as you can see, it shows CarPlay here, CarPlay there. That was because the last connection was a Apple device. But once I pair my Android phone, these logos will change. So I'm scanning for the device right now on my Android phone. SmartBox is in my available devices. Go ahead and tap on that. It's gonna ask me to pair. And now I am paired to the device. And there you go. I am now connected to Android Auto. And again, no wires on the phone. So you now have a wireless Android Auto connection. So if you're looking to connect your Android Auto or your Apple CarPlay wirelessly, check this out.